Sa story where Jesus was born, one thing is for sure, na si Jesus brought peace the time that he was born. Nung siya pinanganak, he already brought peace sa lahat. May peace na siyang dala. Pero, if babalikan natin yung story, there was King Herod. And si King Herod, anong ginawa niya? Anong action niya nung nalaman na nabuhay si Jesus? Gusto niyang ipapatay. Na-disturb siya eh. Gusto niyang ma-disrupt yung peace na dala-dala ni Jesus. And same thing sa buhay natin. Whenever we have peace, andyan yung enemy to steal, kill, destroy our peace. Which is yung ginagawa ni King Herod. Ginawa ni King Herod. Yung action plan niya. No? Nagpadala siya ng 3 magay, tapos sabihin nyo, mag-worship ako. Pagdating nyo doon, sabihin nyo yung location, dahil mag-worship ako. Pero, na-receive ng mga magays na umiwas ng daan, para hindi na bumalik doon kay King Herod. And then, nagkaroon ng dream si Joseph na umalis sila sa lugar nila dahil papatayin ni King Herod si Jesus. So same thing, no? The peace that we have in our lives, sometimes ninanakaw ng kaaway. Ayun yung action plan ng kaaway lagi. Kill, steal, destroy. John 10:10. No? Pero may binigay si Jesus sa atin. So John 14:27, sabi dito ni Jesus, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give you. I do not give to you as the world gives. Do not let your hearts be troubled and do not be afraid." Ito po yung sinasabi ni Jesus, the time na alam niya na sa sarili niya na, yung mamamatay na siya. Pero may sinabi siya dito, ang title kasi nitong sa John 14, Jesus promises the Holy Spirit, the advocate. And since si Holy Spirit, ito yung may fruit of the Spirit, which is, nasa kanya yung peace. Diba? One of the Spirit ni Holy Spirit is peace. Diba? Love, joy, peace. Hindi love, joy, hope. No? Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, gentleness, faithfulness, and self-control. No? Nandun yung peace. At binigay ni Jesus, bago siya umakyat, no? Bago siya mamatay, umakyat sa langit, sinabi niya na may bibigay si God the Father, the advocate, which is the Holy Spirit. And when Jesus died and rose again after 40 days, Acts, nandun na si Holy Spirit. No? So going forward, so binigay na sa atin si Holy Spirit, which is, nandun yung fruit of the Spirit, at nandun yung peace.